Natural fibers have been used in the construction industry for centuries. In the last years, they have been back on the market thanks to public ecological awareness. It is the type of products that helps promote health and ecology. Leader in bio-based insulation in North America, Fibres is committed to raising awareness and providing population with eco-responsible products that will surpass synthetic fiber products. We mainly use industrial hemp in order to produce high-quality materials for thermal and acoustic insulation. It is also highly effective in keeping food and pharmaceutical products frozen during transportation. Our insulation materials are all made from 100% plant fibers, allergen-free, volatile organic compounds-free, and naturally repellent against rodents and insects. Hemp fiber, which is used in the conception of our products, is recognized for its high thermal resistance, its strength, and its ability to regulate humidity. All these advantages, combined with the know-how of our dynamic and dedicated team, allow us to manufacture insulating panels that are easy to install, facilitating ventilation of your structure, while maximizing thermal efficiency. The biggest competitive advantage of our insulators comes down mainly to the increased phase shift time. That is, the phenomenon of the temperature's transmission from the outside to the inside. The hemp fiber allows to double the time compared to a conventional insulation. A better temperature conservation therefore means saving energy and consequently reducing costs. Thanks to our large distribution network across Canada and the United States, you can purchase our product easily and quickly.